afternoon, students. So nice meeting you during the examination time. So as we know that we are learning more about agentic AI and its applications in the worldwide. So recently I came across a case study in Harvard Publishing, one of the case study Konko AI, which explains the automation of working in the agentic AI world. So how this automation can be implemented successfully? So they have nurtured with two project ideas. One of the project ideas is medical clinics, other one is fintech. So fintech, though it has many features, they wanted to customize it more. So since it has more opportunities, and so they want to leverage the fintech features. Similarly, though the beginning stage of medical clinics, there are more requirements of hospitals worldwide. So the clinics have started expanding again and again, over and over the recent 10 years. So these medical clinics, the medical industry also, it requires a lot of agentic AI support. So in these two fields, for this Konko AI model, it's a pure agentic AI model, which is explained in the case. And you went through the entire case content. So you just explain how it started, what is the problem statement, and how the founders have initially started, then how the two projects have been understood, and finally how they are going to achieve the results. So let us start that. I think Kavish, you can give a clear introduction.
First of all, the Konko AI. So they are the first startup for creating the AI sales. They started their plans in the AI sales agent, which automates their sales tasks and for helping their business, which improves their customer engagement and more deals which implies in the sales and automating the sales task. So they initially started with focus on this fintech loan companies, but later these companies started to identify that the AI can also be implemented in the healthcare purpose. So now they are in the stage of moving. One, they can move with the fintech which they completed some tasks, but they can also move with the healthcare purpose. So this is the starting problems they are facing. So next stage will be now.
Okay, I'll just give the founding story of the Konko AI. Actually, there were two friends at Harvard Business School, Jean-Marc and Michael Haddad. They both had an idea of creating an AI during the COVID time. That was the booming time of AI. So they started getting customer feedbacks through AI agents. They also consulted AI startups for this, how to first this. So they started to collect customer feedbacks. Then their idea towards fintech has grown. So then they started a fintech AI startup. So then next will be explained by that.
Okay, I am going to explain about the technical terms in AI agents, how they are created. So the Konko AI have developed the AI agents in the measures in which that the AI agents acts as the real human sales representative. So the company, the founders have fed the data of the real achievers who have been participated in the Konko company, and the company studied top performing sales people and fed their achievements as the data to perform the agentic AI as an agent in the Konko AI. So Konko used multiple specialized AI sub-agents for different tasks such as lead qualification, customer interactions, scheduling and follow-ups. So these are tasks performed by the human before, and with the data they fed into the AI agent to perform as an autonomous agent, so that the company has grown and reduced manual workload and introduced the agentic AI, which autonomously provides solutions. So the AI agents had also had memory and continuous learning abilities, which helped them improving themselves to the customer interactions and feedbacks. The results were very successful, such as Konko have received their increased sales rate conversion into 140% and reduced the workload, manual workload, and introduced improved response speed significantly. So the next one will explain it.
So here I am going to explain about the small summary of the Konko AI and how it were worked. So considering first of all we starts with the fintech AI they were. So here the key problems are AI were not available in a fintech in that particular time, and also with AI in a fintech it will easy for workings and loan completions. So they take these problems as their main focus and other than our lateral. So as a solution, I created the Konko AI, and then it worked with loan applications, and it completes the full loan and generate it to the user. So also it works on 24/7 as a time, and then it also gives the big achieve for them. It generated a 40% of revenue and the sales. Also, it gives a major victory for them, as we said frankly. Also, they have some problems in that. That time they are seeking the good opportunity, a new opportunity, as we said, new opportunity in a medical side. They are seeing the medical clinics in Latin America. During that time, they are thinking about starting the business in a medical side also. That's where the Konko AI takes the place in medical places, medicines.
Good. When Pranav explained, I came to know, to understand the problem statement, what was explained by Rajesh, we need to have an empathy, I mean the pain points. So Pranav explained all the pain points, what and all the people facing is through the customer feedback. So again, to build the product or solution for such kind of things, we need to customize the agentic AI, we need to leverage the agentic AI. That was well explained by Bharat. So in fintech, though the fintech has been customized, not up to that level because of the lack of AI understanding in that period. But medical clinics has been providing so much of opportunities since they require multiple hospitals. Maybe the next level of applying the agentic AI into the medical clinics. I hope this case would have given you the clear picture about how the agentic AI will lead the future medical industry, also the more demandable applications of fintech, because without fintech in future the people will not easily process the loan, or people will not make any kind of financial transactions with a legitimate or with authenticated one. So I think your points and what you have contributed for this case discussion really is wonderful, and we will meet in another case study with a clear empathy and application. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.